Hi, my name is Maria Sotek and I am a founder of Coral Mission Foundation. The aim of Coral Mission is to do whatever we can in the area of coral reef conservation and restoration in the Maldives. We started our work by running Coral Nursery. This is the place where we plant small coral pieces and in partially controlled conditions they can grow till they are big enough to be planted on the reef. This work is really time consuming because corals grow really slowly, so it takes at least a couple of months or most often around 2 years till those corals are big enough to be planted on the reef. And we have to clean them almost every day from algae also. But we also started working in other area. The Maldives is a country with highly limited land. There are only tiny little islands surrounded by the ocean. And this is the reason that sometimes, and recently quite often, the Maldivian government gives permission to build an artificial island or to extend already existed island by land reclamation, which means by pumping sand onto shallow areas, which literally means onto the reef. Just now, on Maamigili Island, the local airport is being developed. To extend the airport, there is necessary to build a new artificial part of the island, and it means that 30 hectares of the reef will be covered by sand and disappear. When I get to know about it, the land reclamation work already started, so we had to act really rapidly. We've got a permit from Maldivian Environmental Protection Agency and from the airport owner to collect corals from the airport extension area and to replant them in the lagoon of neighboring Digura Island. It's a huge work. Our divers, including me, detach corals from the ground using chisels and hammers, and then we transport those corals carefully in containers with seawater to Digura Lagoon. Firstly, we put those corals onto resting tables where they can spend some time to get used to new conditions and to distress after the transport. When corals stop showing symptoms of being stressed, we plant them onto special steel frames where they can safely grow and create new beautiful living reef. We have a plan to collect 1,800 corals from Maamigili Airport extension area. It requires a lot of time and a lot of money, but saving those corals is 100% worth it. With the help of some individual donors and one bigger sponsor, Coral Reef Care, we've already replanted more than 600 corals. But the money is almost finished, so we need help to collect the rest of the needed funds. We don't have too much time because land reclamation work will be finished in less than 2 months. So before that, we have corals from the area. If not, it will be too late. And at the same time, the water quality is extremely poor there. Because of construction work, there is a lot of sand everywhere, so many corals from Maamigili Reef started bleaching or even died already. So we have to be quick. I would be grateful any kind of support. And the cost of replanting one coral from Maamigili Reef to Digura Lagoon is $14. So if you want to help us, if you want to save at least one coral from Maamigili Reef, please donate us. It would be absolutely great. I would be really grateful. If you want, you can donate on our website coralmission.org. Thank you a lot.